Hi, my name is Mare Cromwell and I am a Gaia Priestess, healer, mystic, and award-winning author. I have studied for more than 23 years with some rather gifted Native American elders and some other very profoundly gifted spiritual mentors. I am personally inviting you to join me at one of my upcoming Awakening Our Womb Wisdom workshops for women. These are powerfully healing events for women in which we really go deep and we touch into our most sacred center, our womb space, to release the repressed energies there. The events are not just workshop, but also part ceremony in which I invoke a really beautiful and powerful team of divine feminine deities to hold us in sacred space, to essentially create a deeply compassionate spiritual cocoon around us so that we can go deep within the experience of the event to tap into their healing energies. I've gotten feedback from some of the people who have attended these events that they've never experienced such a safe environment, and I've witnessed some spontaneous healings right there in the event of some deep woundedness being released. We also do a little bit of dance, we do a little bit of art during the event, and I guide you through a meditation to tap into the love of the Great Mother so that she may flow her healing energies through your entire energy body, and especially focusing on your womb center. It's so critical these days that we women heal our womb space, release the repressed energies there, and tap into our divine feminine selves. The world so needs us in our power, and this is where our power sits. So I invite you to join me. I would love to see you at one of these events, and if you want to know when my upcoming ones are, look at the text below this video, and I hope to see you very soon. Thank you.